Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro Mesh network for seamless whole-home internet coverage, follow these step-by-step instructions to configure your system properly. Step 1. Download the Google Home app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Make sure your phone is connected to a working Wi-Fi network or has cellular data enabled. Step 2. Unplug your existing router from your modem. Then connect your primary Nest Wi-Fi Pro router to your modem using the Ethernet cable included in the box. Step 3. Plug the power adapter into your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router and connect it to an electrical outlet. Wait for the status light to pulse white, which indicates the device is booting up. Step 4. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon in the upper left corner. Select Setup Device, then choose New Device to begin adding your Nest Wi-Fi Pro. Step 5. Select your home or create a new home in the Google Home app. The app will automatically search for nearby Nest Wi-Fi Pro devices to set up. Step 6. When your Nest Wi-Fi Pro is found, scan the QR code located on the bottom of the device using your phone's camera. This helps the app identify your specific router. Step 7. Create a network name and password for your new Wi-Fi network. Choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Step 8. If you have additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro units, place them in different rooms and add them through the app to extend your mesh network coverage throughout your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.